So now that we have discussed future value in the previous units, we're going to discuss present value in this unit. So now, before we begin, what exactly is present value? It is like asking the question from the different side. So now I will ask that how much should I deposit right now if I want to accumulate, let's say, 1018550 126 days later. So how much should I deposit right now? This is called your present value, and like already discussed, this is called your future value. So now we need to figure out that how much should we invest right now. How are we going to do that? We're going to use the same formula for it. So the present value formula is this. It is simply derived from your future value formula. It's the same formula basically. Amount of future cash flow divided by 1 plus bracket interest rate times days over year bracket close. Let's look at an example now. So what is the present value at 6.5% of a cash outflow of USD 1 million which will arise after 90 days? So basically after 90 days you will have 1 million. So what is the present value of this cash flow? And the rate is 6.5%. So we're going to write the present value formula, which is the amount of future cash flow one plus the interest rate. So I'm just going to write R for interest rate times days over year. 1,000, 1 million. 1 plus the rate is 6.5%, so 0.065. 90 days. And it's USD, so we're going to use 360. If you solve this, your answer is going to come 984,009.84. So this is the present value of the future cash flow. In general, the calculation demonstrates the fundamental principle behind market calculations, which is time value of money. As long as interest rates are not negative, it is better to have any given amount of money sooner rather than later. Because if you have it sooner, you can place it on deposit to earn interest on it. So if you have this amount right now, you can deposit it at the 6.5% rate and you will get 1 million after 90 days. That's why having money right now is better because you can invest it and earn interest on it. The extent to which it will be worthwhile having the money sooner depends upon the interest rate and the time period involved. Moreover, the present values are actually fundamental to pricing money market instruments because the present value of a future cash flow is its value or worth right now. So if you're, for example, buying this security that is going to pay USD 1 million and you're deciding whether you should invest or not, then this is the worth of it. This is the price that you will be willing to pay for the security. If it is higher than this, then you won't be willing to purchase it because then it won't be worth it. Uh, so it is therefore the amount of money which one is prepared to pay now for any instrument which generates the cash flow in the future. Basically, it is how you're going to find the price of any instrument. The calculation of a present value is known as discounting. And the interest rate used for that purpose is referred to as the rate of discount or the discount rate. Now moving ahead, let's do one more practice question. So how much do I need to put on deposit now so that after 126 days, I will receive back USD 101 and 550. So I'm going to give you a bit of a time to solve this and then I'll show you the solution. Okay, they haven't mentioned the interest rate. Wait. I've forgotten to mention the interest rate. You can use the interest rate of 5.3% in your calculations. So again, you will use the present value formula. This is the cash flow. This is your R. This wasn't mentioned in the question because I forgot to write it. Then this is 126 divided by 360. Again, 360 or 365 will be determined by the type of currency. Since it's USD, we're using 360. And that means that you will have to deposit 1 million right now.